Hey guys, what is up? It is your girl Jay Hendy here with another new video, and today I am very excited because AEW Collision is in New Jersey and I am so happy. So they're gonna be at the Prudential Center in Newark, and I kid you not, the last time I was in the Prudential Center was 2 months ago. I was in my cap and gown, graduating from college, and now I am going to a wrestling show. I'm going to see AEW at the Prudential Center, and I'm not even kidding, I'm probably gonna have some like deja vu the second I walk in there, because yeah, like I said, the last time I was in the Prudential Center, I was graduating from college, and now I'm going to a wrestling show. And it's also my graduation present to myself, and I felt like this felt right for me. I felt like this was the right graduation present for me, and I couldn't be any happier. I really couldn't. Yeah, but right now I'm just getting ready to go to work, and yeah, so I'm gonna like hurry it up here because I kind of have to leave soon. But yeah, but anyway, as far as I know, the only match that I know is going on tonight is Sky Blue versus Taya Valkyrie. And so I'm really excited about that match and see all the action happening in the ring. And yeah, but other than that, I really need to get to work, and I will see you guys later. All right. Okay, so this is my outfit. Here I just have on my necklace, which has crossbones on it, and I'm wearing my Outcast t-shirt because I think it looks really cool. And I also feel like people are gonna think it's like the name of a band when really it's like a name of a wrestling group. And here I just have on fishnet underneath because I just think it looks really cool for the effect. And then here I am wearing some baggy pants from Urban Outfitters. And over here I'm just wearing some Converse that I got for Christmas. And for my hat, I'm just wearing like a random hat, and I'll show you guys what it says. So here it just says "Love Kills," and it has little like droppings of blood, and it also has green over here, which is right for my Outcast t-shirt. So yeah, but anyway, I have a little funny story to tell you guys. So when I was on my break at work, I was just on Twitter checking my phone to see like who else is gonna be having a match tonight. I find out that CM Punk is gonna be making an appearance, and the second I found out, I kid you not, I almost fell out of my chair. I'm not kidding. Like the second I saw his name and that he was gonna be there tonight, I'm like and I almost fell out of my chair. So yeah, and I'm not even kidding, literally the second CM Punk comes out, the crowd's gonna go wild. I just know it. I just know that's what's gonna happen. So yeah. That's the You guys, I have not been here in 2 months. 2 months I have not been here. It's just, oh my god, the deja vu is like so real. I like went up the escalator, and oh my god, I have not been on this level probably like the last time I saw a concert here. I'm not even kidding, because when I graduated I wasn't up on this level. I was literally on like the lower level. So yeah, everyone's like really excited. So yeah, let's go. There's the ring right there. Get it like a close view of it. Right here I get to see everybody come out and make their entrance. So cool. I'm telling you right now, best graduation present ever. Oh my god, this is like a really nice view. I can't believe that my graduation was here in this very arena 2 months ago. I think like right where the stage is was probably where I walked and got my degree. And where the ring is was where the graduates were sitting.
You guys had the opportunity to win the ROH Tag Team Championship.
That was very popular here in Newark. No time for singing right now.
Hey guys, so I'm walking to the bathroom right now, but anyway, there's a pre-show for Ring of Honor going on right now. And I'm not even kidding, I literally saw like a knockoff version of Barbie, and I thought that was like really funny because I literally saw the movie 2 days ago. So yeah. But anyway, I think I walked past the bathroom, so see you guys in a minute.
My bag is as empty as that little red bag you've been carrying around, dog.
Get him! Get him!
I don't want to spend any more time in New Jersey than I have to. You're called Dirty Jersey for a reason, sweat hogs. So shut your mouth while I conduct business. Now before I go, Punk, I have a question for you. What kind of man carries around a championship he didn't win? I think I know the answer, it's fine. Hey, you guys continue just doing whatever it is you're doing. We're gonna hit the bricks, New Jersey, but before we go, just a quick reminder that we are the faces of TNT now and forever.
The House of Black getting its night out. Leave you on the floor like it's drugs at the White House. Your reception is lukewarm, but y'all are my favorite category on YouPorn. Hey buddy, you're looking kinda nauseous. There's a lot that I can...
sitting in traffic. I ain't never get distracted.
Hey guys, so it's currently 2 days after AEW Collision. I'm not kidding. When I got home Saturday night, and as I'm filming this right now, it's currently Monday, and Monday Night Raw is going to be on, and I'm pretty excited for that tonight. But yeah, when I came home after AEW Collision on Saturday, I came home at around 11 o'clock at night, and I'm not kidding, that's how late I got home. And I didn't even go to bed till like 11:30 when I got home, so there's that. And then the next day, I had to work from 8 a.m. to 2, and I was just really tired after that because of like the lack of sleep that I got and the fact that I had to get up early the next day for work, and I couldn't even like physically move at that point. I'm being serious. Like when I came home from work yesterday, I just sat on the couch, couldn't even move. You couldn't even like pull me off the couch. That's how exhausted I was from not only working yesterday, but from like being out so late on Saturday night. And yeah, but anyway, enough talk about that. I guess I'll just tell you guys what my thoughts are from Saturday night. So I had a really good time. I'm dead serious, and I kid you not when I say this, that was the best graduation present I had ever got. Seriously, best graduation present ever. I did not need to go on some fancy trip or have like a big party to celebrate my big accomplishment of graduating college. Just going to AEW it just felt right to me. I felt like that was, that was it. So yeah, and I'm not even kidding. The deja vu that I had when I was at the Prudential Center was so real. I'm not even kidding, because the last time I was in that arena, I was in my cap and gown graduating college, and then here I was 2 months later, post-graduation, and I'm going to a wrestling show in that same arena, getting to watch a lot of action happening. So yeah. But yeah, anyway, I guess I'd have to say my favorite part of Saturday night would probably have to be CM Punk. I'm not even kidding. I feel like for those of you who were watching AEW Collision on the 22nd, I'm not even kidding. CM Punk was like the highlight of the night. I'm not kidding. Like I was literally chanting CM Punk's name. Everyone was. Like he's everybody's favorite, and he was probably the one guy that everyone was going crazy over. So yeah, I definitely have to say that was probably like my favorite part of the night, and I'm sure that's probably everybody else's favorite part of the night. And yeah, but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog and just getting to see me have a great time at AEW. I'm not even kidding. I will say this again, and I've said it multiple times. Best graduation present ever. I am serious. But yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.